guys, Amy Gates. Hey, I wanted to come show you the Pampered Chef can opener, and I want to show you how to use it because this is the smooth edge can opener and it doesn't work like a regular can opener, so it's just going to give you a little sneak peek. Alright, so I got this can. Now usually you're used to can openers going this way, but this one goes flat across the top. So you'll see we got the little wheel that's going to do our guiding for us. So you just put it on the side of the can and you start turning clockwise. Now, as you're doing this, it's not going to feel like it's cutting like you're used to with a regular can opener. And then when you get all the way around, you're going to feel just a little less resistance. And as soon as you feel that little less resistant, turn the dial counterclockwise, turn it the other way. And then how you get the can off is right here. There's these little teeth or little hooks. I don't know how well you can see that. But so you just use that to clip onto the side of the can. You push the button and you just pull the can off, the lid off. So this lid is completely smooth. I can run my hand all over it. It's not gonna cut me. The edge of the can is smooth. And that's it. That's all it takes. So the can opener works really great. I love it. It's the only one I have in my house, and I hope you like it too.